Warren.
Well, the skyrocketing cost of heating and cooling, coupled with rising electric costs, means many of us will find our home heating and energy bills climbing 30% or more this year alone. It's no wonder then that even in this lousy home building market, the houses that are selling the very best are the ones that are the most energy efficient. And our Jeff Locke is at what's known as a zero energy home in Dexter, Michigan. Big house and a little Jeff Locke right there. There he is.
And a little energy bill. It symbolizes a small energy bill at this home. I wanted to show you a wide shot of the home. It may look red and stone to you, but it is in fact perhaps one of the greenest homes in America, one of the 12 greenest homes in America. And we come through the door and of this home in Dexter, Michigan. It's built by Bob Burnside, Fireside Home Construction. You've even got the award from the U.S. Green Building Council to prove that this is one of the 12 greenest homes in America. What makes it so green, Bob? I know you could tell me for the next 5 minutes and never stop talking.
That's right, Jeff. Well, welcome to Fireside Home Construction. Actually, it's about energy efficiency, water conservation, indoor air quality, material choice in terms of green things.
It's a whole host of things.
Yes.
So now let's look upstairs real quick, and I know we've got a lot of light coming through these windows, but all of the panels, for example, around the timber framing, this, by the way, all oak timber framing, no steel or iron in it. It's all mortise and tenon?
Yes, it is.
And the panels are all what?
Structural insulating panels from Insulspan.
And that means what?
This is a replacement for a typical 2x4 wall system. It has a foam inside of it with wood on either side for a structural panel that's very well insulated.
I want to go downstairs because you have a little demonstration of what that looks like. Also, as we come down into the basement, this is where the guts of this energy efficiency is. And maybe if we get down the stair here, I see a couple of things. One, this is what you're talking about. This is what a cutaway of the wall would look like, right, in terms of the structurally insulated panel?
An exterior wall, yes, with an R25 insulating value.
And then this is how you pour your foundation. What do you do here?
Well, it's like Lego blocks. We build the basement with these foam blocks, and we fill them with reinforcing steel and concrete.
Interesting. Now, before we get away real quick, come around through the bathroom with me, back into the inner sanctum here. This is your, in terms of what makes this so energy efficient with the heating and cooling system, what are we looking at right here?
Well, these are the loops for the geothermal heating and cooling system.
What's geothermal heating and cooling?
Geothermal is where we're using Mother Earth's temperature to help heat and cool the house.
And so it's the temperature about 6 feet down in the ground is about what, constant 50 or so?
Around 55 degrees.
So you suck the air up from there, essentially, or take the warmth of that air or the chill for the summer, and you help out your system.
That's correct. It's actually a liquid that flows through the tubing, and that's cooled to the temperature of the earth, and we use that to supplement heating and cooling.
Bob Burnside, wonderful. We will be here throughout this day. Stay tuned to us because we'll be back here throughout the day showing you different aspects of this home, which, if you want to do this in your own home, these technologies are available out there. If you want to invest green, we'll tell you how you can do that too. Companies that you can invest in that are providing these kinds of technologies, which are, as you point out, Tom, increasingly popular. There are people that do have money in this market to invest, and those people tend to be investing in green and building green.
Remember when earth-friendly homes were those geodesic domes? That's a beautiful home. Jeff Locke.
That's why I showed you the outside, because I wanted you to see this thing looks like a regular home that you'd see anywhere else on any street in America. Doesn't look green, but it is.
It's gorgeous. Jeff Locke in Dexter, Michigan. Thanks, Jeff. We'll check back with you later in the program.